In this video, I will show you that how you can buy FTM coins from desk screener using your Trust wallet. In this video, I will show you that how you can purchase KIRBY Coin, a FTM based meme coin which is expected to be lost in the market. So hurry up and buy as much as you can, but at your own risk. So to buy KIRBY Coin, first you have to open the Trust wallet application. So I have opened my Trust wallet application. If you don't know how to create Trust wallet account, I have already created a video on it. You can find the link from the description. So after opening this application, scroll down to the bottom, and here you have to click on the manage crypto. Click on it and search FTM Phantom. Alright, turn on Phantom back button, and here you can see FTM is added in your list. Now to buy any Phantom coin like KIRBY or any other coin, you must have FTM in your Trust wallet account. So I will transfer some FTM from Binance application. Now to send FTM from Binance application, we need FTM address. Click on the receive, and here you can see that we got the address. Copy this address. Now open the Binance application. Now I have opened Binance application. Click on market and search FTM. So I have USDT, so I will purchase FTM from USDT. So I have 37 USDT. I will buy FTM for the 30 USDT. And here you have to select market, 30 USDT, buy FTM. Success. So we have successfully purchased FTM coin. Now to transfer FTM from Binance to Trust wallet application, click on wallet, and here you can see withdraw. Click on withdraw, search FTM. Now here you can see we have $29.85 in FTM. Click on FTM, and here you can see there are two options: send via crypto network and send via email. We have to click on send via crypto network. So here you have to paste the address which we have copied from the Trust wallet account. Alright, now click on the network. So here you can see there are multiple networks. So you have to click on the Phantom. Click on the Phantom, and here you have to select the amount which you want to withdraw, or you can say that you want to transfer from Binance to your Trust wallet account. I want to transfer maximum Phantom. Click on max, withdraw, and here you have to ensure the network, address, withdrawal amount, network fee. So everything is correct. Click on confirm. Now here you have to complete the security verification of Binance. Click on passkey. I will verify from thumb. Withdrawal processing, view history, FTM. So here you can see withdrawal is currently processing. It will take just couple of minutes to transfer the funds from Binance to Trust wallet application. Till you can subscribe this channel for more amazing tutorials. So here you can see that I have received Trust wallet notification. Receive 72 FTM. So here you can see we have received 72 FTM in our Trust wallet. Now here you have to click on the browse, and here you have to open dexscreener.com. You can find the link from the description. Click on the search icon. Now here you have to search your coin which you want to buy. I want to buy KIRBY, KIRBY, KIRBY Blue KIRBY. Click on it. Simply scroll down, and here you can see trade on SpookySwap. Now simply first you have to click on the connect. Click on wallet connect. Now it says connect your wallet. Select wallet. Now it says SpookySwap want to connect your wallet Phantom network. Click on connect. Again scroll down. Click on trade KIRBY. So here you can see that my wallet is connected. Now click on select token. Alright, so here you can see now it shows your FTM balance. Alright, I want to select on maximum. Now it will show me that how much KIRBY I will receive. Close this icon. Now here you can see that I will receive 15,700 KIRBY by using my 72 FTM. Click on swap, confirm swap, click on approve, security verification, swap submitted. Now it will take less than a minute to swap. Now here you can see that says swap success, and here you can see now we have balance of FTM is 0.00, and we have received 50,000 KIRBY. Now let's say if you want to sell KIRBY, just click on this arrow, or you can select from here KIRBY, and if you click on the max, when you sell KIRBY you will receive 72 FTM. Now let's say currently you want to see your profit, because KIRBY currently is not available on Trust wallet. It does not show your total balance in Trust wallet. You can see from here. So if you want to see that how much 72 FTM will be, come on the Binance application, market, again come on the FTM, click on buy, and here you have to type 72 FTM. So here you can see that if you get 72 FTM you will receive 29 USDT if you convert them. So in this way you can see your profit very easily. If you face any problem, if you have any question, you can comment down below. I will solve your problem. See you in the next video.